Are you looking to find your perfect design idea? Get all the inspiration you need right here.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are the first time here and you love design, don't forget to subscribe.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Have you ever hung a frame not in the right place? We have developed a document containing all the important information you need to know before designing your house. The only thing you need to do is grab yourself a free copy on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
His senses and time perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and... perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.